Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, July 4th, 2018. You know, the 4th of July is the big U.S. holiday. It's a very boring day because it's closed in the U.S. today. So we have 50 point up on the TSX. We had the crude, the energy sector that went up a little bit a few minutes ago, but this is it. I mean, there's nothing going on the market right now. You know, a few very small increases. That's all what we have. No sector are changing their status at all. The only thing we can see today, there's a little bit continuity on the upside for a few gold stock that broke out within the last couple of days. So that's the only movement we can see here. So there's not much going on, and you know, pretty well everything is getting sideways. The US dollar is totally sideways. All of the other currencies also. For the moment, we are on a very fragile support for the Nikkei that has reversed its last short-term uptrend, and right now it's within that same corridor, so it doesn't look very good. In China also, there's a lot of pressure on the support, and this is all about the price war again. So you see the London market testing its support, the Nasdaq market, the Dow Jones is testing its support also, the SPY, and the TSX is totally neutral, as every sectors are. Like the gas is on its support, the USO is going sideways since 3 days. The stocks, the oil stocks are going sideways since 3 days. The gold is going sideways since a few days. The gold stocks are going up though, slightly. And the mining are sideways, just about to break their support, so we have to avoid that sector at all completely. And look at consumer discretionary, very totally sideways after erasing the last bullish cycle. And the telecom, it's the same long sideways formation. The financials are totally sideways too in the very short term, not even bouncing back towards the resistance. And the industrial sector is also sideways, bouncing back a very little bit today. The healthcare is also sideways, and the consumer staple broke down yesterday. It's pulling back a little bit. Nothing is happening. And again, within the energy sector, it's just a building of a support once more. So we don't have anything going on besides a few gold stock. That's all there is. So you have West Dome that broke out yesterday, which continues its movement. Kirkland Lake Gold continues its recent bullish cycle, as well as Agnico Eagle, Detour Gold, Continental Gold, and this is it. All of the others are totally sideways. No one is breaking through. No buy signal at all. They're pretty well all at the resistance. So there could be a second wave following in the next few days, since some of the stock has initiated their new bullish cycle. So and that's all there is. I mean, there's no miracle that can be done today. When the U.S. market is closed, it's most of the time it's quite boring in the on the Canadian market. And just for instance, let me show you, like on the TSX today, we have 3 breakout, 2 breakdown on venture. On the venture market, 3 breakout as well, so it's easy to go through. It's too early, I guess. I still prefer the second movement on that stock here, after the stock would have reached 12 to 13 on the next beginning of a new bullish cycle could be okay. Plateau uranium seems to be okay. The volume is right. Everything is nice, except that the stock broke out this morning and stayed there ever since. So at least we gotta wait 136, 137, and well, this is not good at all. And let's see on the TSX which one we got. Brookfield, I don't like this one. Asanko Gold is just okay. Look, the volume 51,000. It's so small. And Chartwells, no matter, we don't have a nice choice, and we don't have also nice signals. And the question bar is open. Oh, I have a question here from Diane. DGC is good to buy. Detour Gold it started its new bullish cycle there at $10.95, $11. It's now 12.5, and the stock has gone up a little bit, so now it's stuck at its resistance, as many stocks are doing the same thing today. So I would consider this one among the next wave of stocks. But Detour Gold, in my mind, Detour Gold is no longer among the best performer there. And if you go to the gold sector, there are much better. It's too late for West Dome, but yesterday it was a nice signal, and Kirkland was much stronger than Detour Gold, and Agnico Eagle also. So I'm not sure Detour Gold is the right one to buy, but at the least I would wait until the beginning of the next new bullish cycle for that. So and among the cannabis, not much is going on there. Maybe weed is ready for a little move up, but when you look at the daily chart on the sector, you see everyone are on a support there. And if you look at Fire had the news today, there are 2 stocks that came out with the news, and they're all about the Manitoba province. And the news about Fire is that they will supply the alcohol and lottery of Manitoba for 1.7 million gram. So 1 million gram is 1,000 kilo. So that's about 1.5 ton, I would say, and that had no effect on the stock at all. And we had that second stock here that came out with the news yesterday about the fact that the Manitoba were allowing them the permission to open something like 12 or 13 stores to sell recreational cannabis in Manitoba. So, but the movement is not continuing. We're going to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Welcome back. I now see the materials sector breaking through intraday-wise there, and it's not the gold and it's not the mining either, so it must have been nutrient. Is it? Not even. Okay, can't find it. That's funny. I see the movement, but I cannot see where it come from. So let's see here, see the gold maybe? No, not even the gold there. Also, I don't know. I don't know, haven't found it yet. So, but still not much has happened there. CCW, Dennis is asking, entry point please, CCW. Here, CCW. Cobalt. Okay, right after this pause there, we had the one breakout there, followed by the second one here on June 29, and right now it's it's stable and it stays at the top, which is very nice. You see, so now it is very close to a new breakdown. Let me see the price again here, 85. So next entry point like 83.84 cents. If the stock stays above 75 and break the 80 cents, that would be this. Entry point on VPAS. Tough to say there because of what is done. You know, the stock is rushing up one day and falls down the next. So here we had 4 days, and here we had 1 day again. So if you look at this all, it's the potential even on the breakout here at 44 would be only until 54. So it's not a big of a trade there. So but if you want to buy on the support here, you have 8 cents of risk, because at 30 cents you would have to sell. So for me, the best potential there would be let him go to 50. If it goes to 50, and then on the next move up at 60 would sound to me better, because right now the only thing we can count on is a 4-month support. So chances to bounce back are big, except that the potential of money is not big. And the volume is so low right now. You see the last move up, the volume was not nearly as nice as the others were before. So that's why I have some concerns right now with this. So as I said, no miracles to do. It's very hard to find nice day trading stock, and even more difficult to find good swing trading stock. Just for instance, let me do here a scan on the largest variation we had today. So you see, just on the TSX today, if you look at that, you know, the variation here. Oh, I don't have it in percentage right there. Oh, okay. So okay, let me take it here. Add. Okay, and then go to the next and bring it up here. Okay, I will look at here. Okay, so you look at the percentage, you know, so the largest movement is $3 on $200. For the rest, it goes down so fast, so you can see that we don't have a lot of movement today. And so if you look at the chart themselves, you know, we have a little movement up with a low volume on Shopify, and you know, so we have some drops also. A lot of stocks are ready for a breakout, but they don't break out like Goose. Franco-Nevada is one of has gone up quite a bit already, so it's too late for a signal there. Look at Magna threatening its support here, and it's going to reverse break the uptrend as well. So, you know, no matter what we find, a few gold stocks that keeps going up, that's all we found today. There's not much going on. Suncor would be a nice bet, you know, with his nice positive triangle formation there. Whenever the stock breaks out, 54.75 or $55 would be the entry point there. We don't see Christian since a long time. Is he gone forever? Oh, you're talking about Christian Charlot? Of course, Christian is no longer with us since almost 2 years. Close to 2 years anyway. Yeah, he's working into another financial institution right now, and we're still a very good friend, and I will always love Christian. Chris was such a nice guy, and a lot of you guys like him too. So this is it for today, folks. I mean, there's not much we can add to this show because there's nothing going on the market. So everything should be resuming tomorrow. So we'll be there as usual for all customers of Decision Plus and National Bank, because today it was the public show, but not tomorrow. Only on Wednesday you can have the public show, unless you subscribe for the other shows. So this is it for today. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you back tomorrow.